Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss black cumin, which is also known as Kalonji and Nigella seed. So let's start. Introduction. Today we're diving into the world of natural remedies, focusing on a tiny seed with mighty powers, Nigella seeds, also known as black cumin or Kalonji. These seeds are not just a culinary delight, but a historical remedy for a plethora of ailments. Stay tuned as we uncover the secrets of this ancient super seed. Historical background. Nigella seeds have been used for thousands of years, revered in ancient civilizations across the world for their healing properties. They were found in the tomb of King Tutankhamun and are mentioned in the Bible as a cure-all. The Islamic tradition even hails them as the seeds of blessing, capable of curing everything but death itself. Nutritional profile. Packed with a complex array of nutrients, Nigella seeds are a powerhouse of antioxidants, proteins, essential oils, and vitamins B1, B2, and B3. They contain significant amounts of calcium, iron, sodium, and potassium, offering a substantial nutritional punch in just a tiny seed. Health benefits. These miraculous seeds are known for their versatility in addressing health issues. They're acclaimed for boosting the immune system, fighting bacterial and viral infections, reducing inflammation, and even showing promise in studies for their cancer-fighting properties. They're particularly noted for their benefit in respiratory health, blood sugar regulation, and cardiovascular health. Culinary uses. Nigella seeds are not just medicinal but also a culinary treasure, adding a peppery flavour to dishes, used as a spice in bread, curries, and pickles. They're a staple in Middle Eastern and South Asian cuisine, celebrated for both their taste and health benefits. Home remedies. Traditionally, Nigella seeds have been used in various home remedies. They're ground into powders, mixed into teas, or even pressed into oils. Whether it's to soothe headaches, alleviate asthma, reduce blood pressure, or control diabetes, these seeds have been a go-to solution in natural medicine cabinets around the globe. Modern research. Recent scientific studies have started to back up what traditional medicine has known for centuries. Research highlights their potential in treating asthma, high blood pressure, diabetes, and even certain cancers, thanks to their active compound thimaquinone. How to use and dosage. Incorporating Nigella seeds into your daily routine can be as simple as sprinkling them on your toast, mixing them into your smoothies, or steeping them as a tea. As a supplement, it's advised to consult with a healthcare provider to determine the right dosage for your individual needs. Conclusion. Nigella seeds are a small but mighty force in the world of natural remedies, offering a wide range of health benefits that modern science is just beginning to understand. Remember, while they are powerful, they should complement a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health wisdom, and let us know how you use Nigella seeds in your life. Here's to your health. In our next video, we will see in which diseases and conditions Nigella seeds are traditionally used. So get ready, see you in the next video.